discussing a very interesting topic. What is law? But before we continue, I would love us to go on a quick break. Grab your pen, your paper, and a glass of water. Be back shortly. Welcome back from that short break. I hope you had a good time. So let's get to the business of the day. What is law? Let me give you a very clear example. Stella is arrested by her neighbor Frank for playing loud music in her apartment and disturbing the peace of the neighborhood. On getting to the police station, Stella is told to pay a fine of 100,000 naira to Frank as collateral damage. Stella pays this money and is released to go back home. Stella gets back home. She's confused whether or not she should sue Frank to court for the violation of her own human rights. Now, if you are like Stella and you are like me, you'll be wondering, how does playing loud music in my own apartment amount to the breaking of law? Now, let me state emphatically that law has been defined by different scholars and different jurists. Some define it as a code of conduct, others define it as a body of rules that has been laid down by a sovereign authority backed up with sanctions. Now, all those definitions are very correct. However, since you may not have all the time to go to the textbooks to look for these definitions, I'm going to give you a very easy definition so you could be able to grasp this subject matter. Law is a responsibility placed on man not to exercise his right to the misfortune of others. What this means is that where your right begins from and ends, it is where someone else's right to start from. Follow me down to our constitution. Section 39 of our Constitution of Nigeria 1999 has clearly stated that every individual has the right to freedom of expression. However, we have section 373 of our criminal code that prohibits the use of defamatory words to the extent of character assassination. Also, let me draw your attention to section 41 of our 1999 constitution that states emphatically that every individual has the right to freedom of movement. However, there are still exceptions to that right. For instance, where you've broken the law and you have been arraigned in prison or prosecuted, there is a restriction to you using your rights. There is also a restriction on trespass to land. We also have different variations of rights that you can recognize on your daily life. For instance, you have the right to electricity, but you also have to pay your NEPA bill. That's the responsibility. You also have the right to use the road to drive your car, but you also have to obey traffic rules. That's the responsibility. So having said that, you would realize that everybody has a right, but there is always a responsibility to protect that right. So that is why law is very important, because without law, man will live in conflict and in exploitation of his fellow man. Everybody will believe that they have a right, but there will be nobody to tell the other person this is the extent to which your right goes. And that's why we believe that lux gentium lex, the law is the light of the nation. I hope this video has been very helpful. If you have questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll pay attention to it. Don't forget to also subscribe to this channel. Also, please turn on notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. But for now, I'll see you next time. Bye!